Hi, let's generate music out of text prompt. So this is a medieval quiet music based on harp and flute. And this is a Bach music merged with the rock music from the 90s. We will cover this as well. As always, let's start with setting up the environment, creating the Conda environment and installing all the relevant Python libraries. In this process we will use the music generation by Facebook, another cool Python library. As you can see in the GitHub repo, it's named Audiocraft. It's also named as MusicGen. Both names are let's say identical for the same purpose. So as I said earlier, first of all we are going to create the Conda environment. Let's name it AudioCraft, and the Python version should be 3.10.6. It's really important. You should install the same Python version. Okay, let's activate this new Conda environment. Okay, we're in, as you can see. So let's continue to the next step. Let's see what is the version of our CUDA. You should pre-install your CUDA software. As you can see, mine is 11.6. So now I will go to the PyTorch website and look for the relevant PyTorch version for CUDA 11.6. Of course, you can install let's say a new version. I'm using 11.6. It's a good one. This is 11.7. And here is 11.6. Basically, as you can see, it's PyTorch 1.13.1. So let's copy the install command and let's run it. Okay, let's click yes. Let's wait a few more seconds. Okay, done. Now let's clone the AudioCraft repo. We copy the full path using the git clone and download the repo. Let's go through this subfolder. As you can see, all the files are stored here. Let's continue to the next step. Let's install the relevant Python libraries. As you can see, there is an install command inside the subfolder. So let's run it. It's about 5 minutes. We will not wait the whole time. So I will jump directly to the last process of this installation. Okay. Now let's install the FFmpeg software. It's relevant for doing extraction and merge of video and audio as well. Okay, so let's run it, click yes and finish. Okay, now we are ready for our first text to audio prompt. So let's run the UI application. As you can see, it's python.m demos.musicgen_app. Let's wait a few more seconds. You can ignore this information messages. As you can see, there is a link that runs on your local machine. Let's open a browser and copy this link. So this is the web UI of MusicGen. Here is the placeholder to write a prompt. So let's try our previous prompt of the medieval audio music. So we will write medieval quiet music, harp and a flute. Okay, you can choose one of these 4 models, and the time duration, let's generate 10 seconds of this audio. We click submit. It will take several minutes. As you can see, the runtime process. Let's run it in a fast forward to go directly to the end, and then you can see or basically hear the result. Okay, let's jump directly to the last phase. As you can see, it's finished. Nice. So as you can see there, you can click the button on the top right of the audio file and you can download it to your local machine. So now let's continue and basically let's merge a Bach music with our new prompt. In the subfolder named assets, you can find the Bach audio file. Okay, so this is the original Bach audio, and basically we will merge this audio with our prompt, and we have to upload the audio file, and in the prompt we will type 90 rock music. Okay, let's write rock music from the 90s. So we would like to create a 30 seconds audio file based off our prompt and the Bach file. We click the submit button, and on the right side you can see the progress. Once again, we will jump directly to the finish line, and let's hear the result. As you can see and hear, it's a fantastic result. I think it's a cool Python library. Feit has done here a wonderful job. And you can use it on your own audio files and any type of prompt that you like. And of course, you can click on the right button in the corner to download the file and use it for your own purposes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You are welcome to subscribe.